गीतं भावय भावय नित्यानन्दोऽहं 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 भावय भावय नित्यानन्दोऽहम्.
In Hindu worship, puja and seva are the two important aspects to connect with the divine. Alankara as seva is an important part of expressing love, connecting with the divine, and experiencing devotion. Swamiji himself is an expert and has been passionate from his childhood in the art of Alankara. The Nityananda Sangha is inspired by Swamiji himself, directly teaching many subtle aspects with attention to detail the fine art involved in the Alankara. All our temples revel in celebrating the rituals with various Alankarams as per the occasion. Here we can see Nityanandeshwara gracing with the Naga Kiritam, the crown with a snake. Mahadeva, the yogi of yogis, wears the crown with a snake representing the awakened Kundalini. Nityanandeshwara, Nityanandeshwari and Nityananda Swamiji all are decked with Kandimala, Skull Mala, Bilva Mala and Mala made out of gold coins.